English Shadow Podcast.
Hello, dear friends, and welcome to the English Shadow Podcast, a place where you can learn English step by step at your own comfortable speed.
Hi, everyone. Today, we're going to help you feel confident in a clothing store.
Our topic is shopping for clothes, asking for sizes and colors, trying things on, paying, and making a return or exchange.
We'll keep everything slow, clear, and friendly for A1 to A2 learners.
Ready? Let's begin.
We arrive at a big store in the mall. I need a smart casual outfit for work.
I need a new jacket. Let's start with shirts and trousers.
Look, there's a sign. New collection, 20% off.
Great! Let's take a basket and look at the size chart. Excuse me, where are women's shirts?
The assistant says, on the left, next to the mirrors. What size are you looking for?
I usually wear medium. Do you have this shirt in medium?
Let me check. Yes, here is a medium in light blue and white.
Thank you. Is the fabric cotton?
Yes, 100% cotton. It's soft and breathable. I'm looking for a men's jacket in large.
The assistant points. Jackets are on the right wall. Do you prefer black or navy?
Navy, please. Do you have large?
Here you are. This style is regular fit. We also have slim fit if you like a closer shape.
I'll try the regular fit first.
Where are the fitting rooms, please?
Straight ahead, past the shoes.
Can I try these on?
Of course. You can take 6 items into the fitting room. I'll take a navy jacket, a white shirt, and 2 sizes of trousers, 32 and 34.
Good idea. If one is too tight or too loose, you can compare. At the fitting room area, the attendant smiles. Hi there. How many items today?
4.
Here's a number tag. The mirror is inside. If you need another size, please ask.
Thank you.
This blue shirt looks nice, but the sleeves are a little long.
My navy jacket fits well in the shoulders, but it's a bit tight around the chest.
Do you want to try one size up?
Yes. Excuse me, do you have this jacket in XL?
The attendant says, I'll bring it. Anything else?
Maybe a brown belt size M?
I'll grab one. The white shirt is good. The light blue is too transparent for me.
The trousers in 32 are too tight at the waist. 34 are a little loose.
Sometimes belts help, or we can ask about alterations.
Good point.
The attendant returns. Here is the jacket in XL and a brown belt size M.
Thanks. The XL jacket is comfortable. I can move my arms easily.
Great. I'll buy the white cotton shirt in medium and look for black trousers in medium length.
Let's check the price tags and the discount.
This shirt is $29.99, and the tag says 20% off.
So it's about $24? Nice.
These trousers are $39.99, not on sale.
My jacket is $79.99. Is there any student discount or membership?
At the register, The assistant says, "We have a free membership. Members get 10% off today and a birthday coupon."
Can I sign up now?
Yes. What's your email and phone number?
Daniel@example.com and 555-0190.
All set. The discount will apply at checkout.
I have one question. Do you offer alterations for trouser length?
The assistant says, "Yes, simple hemming is available. It takes 2 days."
Good to know. I'll buy them now and maybe hem them later.
The assistant asks, "Are you both ready to pay?"
Yes. Can I get a gift receipt as well?
Sure. Gift receipts hide the price and make exchanges easier.
Your total is $24 for the shirt and $39.99 for the trousers. Would you like a bag?
I have a reusable bag. Thank you.
Great. Card or cash?
Card, please. Can I get an email receipt?
Of course. Please tap your card here. Approved. Receipt sent.
To the other customer, the assistant says, "Your jacket is $79.99 minus 10% member discount equals $71.99. The belt is $19.99. Total $91.98.
Card, please. And yes, I'd like an email receipt too.
Please insert your card, enter your PIN. Approved.
Thank you. What's your return policy?
30 days, unworn, with tags, and receipt. Refunds go to the original payment method, or you can exchange or get store credit.
Perfect.
I tried the trousers at home and walked around. They are a bit tight when I sit.
Let's go back to the store and exchange them for one size up.
I kept the tags and the receipt.
Great. That makes it easy.
At customer service, the assistant asks, "Hello, how can I help you today?"
Hi, I'd like to exchange these trousers. They are tight when I sit. I have the receipt and the tags are still on.
No problem. Do you want the same style in a larger size?
Yes, please. One size up.
I'll check the system. We have size 12 in black and dark gray.
I'll try the black again in size 12.
Here you go. The fitting rooms are to your left.
How is it?
Much better. The waist is comfortable and the length is fine. Great.
Let's finish the exchange.
The assistant says, "All set. There is no price difference. I'll process the exchange."
Thank you. Could I also ask about price adjustment if something goes on sale later?
If the price drops within 7 days, bring the receipt and we'll adjust it.
Good to know. I'm happy with my jacket, but I'm not sure about the belt color.
Do you want to exchange it for black?
Maybe. Excuse me, can I exchange this belt for the same size in black?
The assistant says, "Yes, here is M in black."
Perfect. Thank you. One more question. Can you hold an item for me for 1 hour while I get a coffee?
Sure, we can hold it at customer service with your name.
Thanks a lot. Do you also have online order pickup here?
The assistant says, "Yes, Click and collect is next to customer service.
If a size is out of stock in store, can you order it to my home?
Of course, we can ship to home or to the store. Delivery takes 2 to 4 days.
How do I track the order?
We'll send a tracking link by email.
Do you have a loyalty program?
Yes, members earn points for every purchase and get coupons by email.
Sounds great. I already receive emails. Thank you for your help today.
You're very welcome. Enjoy your new clothes.
I learned some useful phrases today.
Me too. My favorites are, do you have this in medium? Can I try this on? It's too tight, too loose, too long, too short. What's your return policy? And I'd like to exchange this, please.
And for payment, card, please. Can I get an email receipt? And do you offer a membership or student discount?
Simple phrases, big results.
Friends, we hope this clothing store conversation helps you shop with confidence.
Try these phrases the next time you buy clothes. Speak slowly, be polite, and don't be afraid to ask for help.
If this episode helped you, please subscribe and share it with a friend.
See you next time on the English Shadow Podcast.